Welcome to Adobe Max.
This terrible year has made very clear is the resilience of creativity.
Let's keep this iPad party going.
We've been building some terrific stuff on the Adobe XD team.
Now it's time for my favorite feature of the day. In Photoshop, we now have sky replacement.
We're taking filter technology to the next level. We call them neural filters.
Creating captions has traditionally required a lot of effort and time. With speech to text, we've made it easy.
We've created a whole new way to work with Illustrator on the iPad. We've taken some of the greatest features and technologies from our flagship products to power a set of fun, easy-to-use mobile apps.
Now, for those of you who don't know what Sneaks is, it's our chance to pull back the curtain and show some top secret technology that we're currently working on.
This will give you access to the latest and greatest tools. Coming at you guys virtually. Look at this, virtually. Look at that.
Overthinking is the enemy of creative flow in my experience.
And if you've ever seen me speak before, you might be wondering, why am I talking about this?
Talent is something that you can earn, something that you can build towards.
What I like to do is use Photoshop to collage my images.
You can really dive into new dimensions and tell a story in a very different way.
Don't let fear hold you back. If you have an idea, if you have a passion, just go do it.
I keep myself in mobile because I want to inspire that next generation who doesn't have the nice equipment.
Together, let's unleash creativity for all.